Guys, my name is Miss Hermes, and today we're going to be doing an activity together called Division House. So to get started, I have a question for you. I built a house. This house has 6 bedrooms. My family has 19 members, including myself. If my entire family was going to move into this house I just built, how many people would have to stay in each room? You can grab a scrap piece of paper and pause the video quickly to solve this problem. Make sure you show your work. After you solve that, my family had all moved into the house and 4 people decided they didn't want to live there anymore. After these 4 people move out, how many people will have to stay in each of the bedrooms? You can pause again to solve this problem. Again, show your work. We are going to be creating division houses together. Designing a house takes a lot of planning. Today, we are going to be creating our houses using division. As I go through step by step how we're going to make our houses, you can pause the video after each step to complete your equation. For every single step, make sure you're writing out your equations and showing your work. In every equation that we solve today, we will disregard our remainders and simply not worry about them. So to get started with some directions, to create our houses, we will need to figure out what they're going to look like. To do this, we're going to use division. So you can grab out your 2 pieces of paper and writing materials. I will read each step telling you what your equation will look like for each object of your house. Each step will be a new, unique equation that you will make and solve. After I read each step, pause the video to create and solve your equation. So now, you can grab your second piece of paper and draw just a basic outline of a house. This will just be the body and the roof, as you can see here. And after you've solved your equation and figured out how many you need to put on your house, draw the correct amount on your second piece of paper. Only draw them onto your house with pencil at this point. We'll color them all in when we're finished at the end. So let's start building our houses. This is step 1. We're going to figure out how many doors will go on our house. Our equation will be divide your age by the number of years you have been at your current school. Now, to figure out the windows on your house, divide the day of the month you were born by the number of kids in your family. Next, the bricks on the front of your house. To figure this out, we will divide the first 3 numbers in the year you were born by your current age. To figure out how many trees will go in front of your house, divide the first 2 numbers in your phone number by the last number in your phone number. How many apples will be on each of your trees? Well, divide the first 2 numbers of your address by the number of days until Friday. To find your street number of your house, your equation will be divide your mom's age by your age. To find the clouds above your house, our equation will be divide the number of students in your class by your age. Next, the raindrops falling from the clouds, we will divide your area code by the number of years you have lived in your state. To find the number of strands of grass in front of your house, divide your school's street address number by the number of kids in your class. And finally, define how many flowers in front of your house. Divide the number of days in the current month by the number of people in your house at this moment. You have finished your division house. Go back to any steps that you've missed or need to look over again. Now we can color in our pictures. Be creative and have fun. After you've finished coloring in your house, share what you've created and how you built your house with anyone in your household. Thank you for learning with me today.